Okay, we have a Haas mini mill vertical machining center. Serial number 21165. Machine is new in 2000. It has the Haas control. We're going to run it for you. It's a 10 ATC, 40 taper, 7.5 horsepower spindle, 6,000 RPM. We're going to run it.
500 RPM right now.
500 RPM right now. Again, it goes up to 6,000. Travels with this machine are 16 in the X, 12 in the Y, 10 in the Z. 2,500 RPM, pretty quiet. 4,500 RPM. Okay. Again, it goes up to 6,000. You have weight covers, table size. There's a tool change. Again, it's a 10 ATC. Jog in the X. Okay. The Y. And the Z. Machine does have coolant. I believe the table size is 12 by 28 3/4. And that is our video. That was our video. That is our video. Hey, thank you for watching.